When you light the bag, the heat from the fire causes the air inside of the bag to move around really fast.
When the air heats up, the molecules of air start bouncing around and get further apart from each other. This fills up the bag even more. When the molecules of air take up more space, we say the air is less dense. This is why hot air rises, because it's less dense than the cold air. This makes the bag float. This is just like a hot air balloon. The hot, less dense air inside the bag rises on top of the cooler, more dense air outside, and that's what causes the bag to rise.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button for more content.